Hey crafters, it's your girl again with another video. It's nighttime, so excuse my lighting. It is so bright in here because I am directly underneath the bulb. But anyways, this video is gonna be like an unboxing, counting my inventories, and telling you where I bought my items from, and also we're gonna check the quality, the style, and I'm gonna tell you what people usually buy, like the frequently bought sizes that I recommend for you to buy for your kids t-shirts. And also we're gonna see the style of it. You guys already know the style because you, from all my videos, you know the styles that I always go for, how you know how the style look like basically. But anyways, so um I bought so just an FYI, I already opened my box. It's an unboxing, but I already opened my box because I had an order and I did not have the size that they wanted. It was a 2T to be precise, and I didn't have the size. So thank God this order came right on time. So we are just gonna get into the box and I'm gonna show you how they look like and the quality, and you guys are gonna see everything. So I bought a black and a white. I usually sell, now I do sell black shirts. I do pair up black shirts with tutu, and that's the Boss Baby. So I bought this blanks from ajblanks.com, and that's a girl on YouTube. Her name is Angela. She's very good with tutu. She makes embroidery. She is really good, and she's one of those that I watched while I was starting my business. I watched a lot of her videos and I loved her shirts that she always used for her tutu, and I was lucky enough to find out that she actually sells blanks. So, and I love her blanks. They are great quality. So we're gonna get into this unboxing so you guys can see the quality of the shirts. You guys already know how it look like. So basically this is how the shirt look like. You can see the puff, and it's not all the shirt out there that have this puffs. Kids love it because it makes them look so girlish. So that's the reason why I always go for this, and most tutu makers always go for this. So you always want to go for something like this. You guys let me know what you think about that. And yes, I know that's a tutu, it's different. Yep, I made this tutu. Is a handmade tutu. You don't need a machine for this. So let's see what I got here. So like I told you guys, I already opened this up, so do not judge me. All right, excuse my board. This board, I just use it to put my to-do list, all the tutus that I need to sew, and the ones that I've accomplished, I just mark it off. So that's what I use the board for. It helps me to remember what I need to do. So these are the shirts that came in, and I will have to show you guys. So I bought a lot. You guys can see a lot of blacks and a lot of white as well. And I'm gonna open one of them up so you guys can see, and I'm gonna show you guys the ones that are already designed on, so you guys can really know how great the quality is, how it takes the design. So this is a 12-month shirt. I know why my head is always saying tutu. And for the black, oh, the quality is really good. Like when I just took it out, like I can feel how soft it is. This here, it is soft. When I mean soft, it is really good. Like really soft. It's gonna be good on the kid's skin. And if you guys really know me, I love soft fabric. When I'm making t-shirts, I always go for soft style. That's my favorite. If you've seen one of my video that I talked about all the styles out there, the gilding, I believe gilding t-shirts, the styles that they have and the quality, and the ones that I think, and the one that I think is the best. So go check out that video. I put it in the description box. It's gonna help you know what t-shirts to go for, rather than for you to start, you know, buying and testing and all of that. I kind of made it easy for you guys, so you don't have to go do some testing. I already did all the testing and I know what is good. But um everybody's taste is different, so what I like may not be what you like. So but you have to watch that video so you can know what exactly you like. For me, I love the soft style. So this is just like a soft style, like it is so good on the skin. And that's one thing I love about her shirts. I'm gonna show you the one that I designed, the one that made me open up this box, and it's a tutti I told you guys. And this is it. This is the boss baby. And this here, you can see that this shirt really took this design really good. You can see that. And that's one thing I like about it. Whatever you give this shirt is ready to take it. So the quality is great. Just an FYI, this video is not sponsored. Angela is not sponsoring this video. Angela is a girl that sells that owns the company, the company where you buy the blanks from. I told you guys she has a YouTube channel. So I really love her blanks. Will I recommend her blanks? Heck yeah. And you guys can see the style. You see the way the hand is puffy, and that there is a win-win for me. And it just makes it look so girly. So, and also she has the boys as well. So if you do a lot of boys as well, I'll recommend her blanks as well. So go check her out. So anyways, let me start. I want to start loading up, like arranging everything in this rack, and I'm gonna be talking while I'm doing that so I can get this over with, because my office is, I have too much in my office, so I gotta get stuff arranged so that I can have room to move around. This office is getting smaller for me. I need something bigger. Right. So from this, I will just be looking at it and be filling it up, making sure I have everything that she put in here for me. I need a pen. So white short sleeve, I got this here, size 6. I'm counting. This is 4 black plus that one that I used made it 5. So the black is, I see 2T 4 5 for 5. All right.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to pull.
Oh, let me show you guys the boys shirts that she has. So I bought this. This is the boys, and it's so soft as well. So it is like just regular, no puffs of course, and it is so soft. Love it. So that's how it look like with the boys.
Find a way, dare to fall to find out what to say.
So the sizes that sell a lot are, of course, new 1T, 2T, 3T, 4T, size 6, size 5, 5T or size 5. It's 5T. I don't know why people call it size 5, but so from 1T to 5T and size 6. So those are the ones that sell a lot. But when I started this business, I did not really know what sizes, so I was just buying. I'll buy like few here and there, and I ended up buying from here. I bought all the sizes including size 14. So I'm like, that's gonna be a big baby. So let me show you guys how the size 14 looks like. Maybe my size, because I'm on the small side. I'm not really. Ooh, see that? Size 14 is big. See that? And it still has the puff hand. So this is pretty though. If this can fit me, but I'm gonna look too babyish, so nope. But that's pretty. So I bought, this is the largest size they have, so you know that. So I bought all of this, and I haven't had no sale on these big sizes yet. The biggest size that I have had sale on, I just had the sale actually today on that size, is size 7. But the rest has been like size 6 and size 5. That's a big size, and the rest are like little sizes. So that kind of tells me um that the big babies don't like no tutu. But one thing I gotta let you know is the big babies, even the size 7 that I got an order for, they did not buy the tutu, they just buy the shirt. So I think the kids that are gonna be wearing this tutu are gonna be kids from like newborn to probably 5T. So far, that's how far I have gotten. Like, I haven't gotten anyone that is way older than that age. I got size 12 as well, size 10, and size 7.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far is the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars here in the shadows.
Alright, all gone. So for my little babies, I do onesies. So I just went to Hobby Lobby to get the onesies. So from newborn to, so I did it like 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6 months, and 6 to 12 months. Get a onesie. So that way I don't have to worry. I don't have to worry about making sure I get stuff from making sure I order stuff online for the little babies, because they grow out of this so fast, so there's no point for me to like start looking for outfit with puff hands. And this actually works for me, and I buy this one for $4.99 with 30% off. I get it for whatever amount that is. And for this shirt, I forgot to tell you guys, on Angela's website, I think it's $5.20. I may put it on the screen if I'm wrong. And she had a sale, but I did not get the sale because I missed it. So, but that is okay. I'm okay with that. That it would have been nicer to have a sale, but I missed it, so it's all good. So this ones, I just put them here as well, so that when I get the sale, I will not have to like go to the store. But anyways, guys, that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys do this unboxing I've had in mind, and I've been and I had promised you guys that I was going to do a video and tell you guys where I buy my blanks from, and I haven't had the time. If you remember when I did the video on where to find your tool from at a cheaper rate, I promised I was going to make a video on where to find your blanks from. So if you're also looking for blanks for adults, she also have blanks for adults but I usually buy my blanks for adults from jiffyshirts.com, and you'll find them at a cheaper rate, like really good deals. So check them out as well. This video is not a sponsored video, so you guys know I'm just giving you all the infos, all the things that have been helping me grow my business. Like all the sites I'm giving you guys, I did a lot of research and I did some testing. Like Angela's, I bought some stuff to test on my daughter, and when I saw that it was a good quality, I'm like, she just bought me 100%. So you guys let me know in the comment section what you guys have been using, what um blanks you've been using, what websites that you've been buying your blanks from. I would love to know so I can know I have other options, and I'm gonna be testing as well before I buy in bulk. So make sure you test before you buy anything in bulk. Make sure you do your testing before you do that, before you buy. But for Angela's, trust me. For AJ Blanks, I better stop calling her name. For AJ Blanks, you always, I would tell you this: her blanks are great quality. You don't have to test it. I have tested it already, and I'll give it a go ahead. It is good, so you can go ahead and buy as much as you want, so that you can start your business. And remember, you buy for kids, the smaller kids, and you don't want to buy like sizes that are too big, because I did that and I have a lot of them here, and hopefully I one day sell it, because I have to sell it because there's a lot of money out there. So I hope one day I get a sale on those big kids clothes. And after that, I'm going to stop selling the bigger kids items, like bigger kids shirts. I'm not gonna put it on my website anymore. I'm just gonna make it from one certain age, from newborn to probably size 6, because that's what I have been getting orders for. Like I told you guys, it's just one size 7 that I got today, so I ain't doing it anymore. So hopefully I sell all of those ones, all of those big sizes, and I'm not gonna get that anymore. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you guys have tried AJ Blanks in the past, let me know, or if that's what you're using right now, let me know in the comment section. I'd love to know how you guys think of what you guys think about it. For me, I love AJ Blanks. That's my to-go site to buy kids t-shirts, and I love them so much. And Jiffy Shirts is where you go to buy the adult shirts. So you guys know, I already made a video on the qualities, so you don't have to go do some testing. You just watch that video. That video is gonna give you detailed information on how, the texture, the feel, and all of that good stuff. So go check out that video. It's gonna help you make decisions. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I believe this video is very valuable to you. Let me know by giving me thumbs up, so that way I can know the video is valuable and I can give you more videos like this. So let's do it. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video. Before we go, always stay positive, work hard, and let's make it happen. The world is a big place for us to make this happen. Let's do it.